Hi everyone, welcome to TECO Technology's December Newsletter. I'm here to give you a quick rundown of this month's exciting updates, so let's jump right in. First, we're talking remote I/O solutions with Advantech's Atom series. These modules are perfect for industries like manufacturing, utilities, and IoT applications, bridging sensor data to SCADA and the cloud. With support for multiple protocols like Modbus and MQTT, it's a seamless solution for real-time monitoring. Next up, we've got the Humphrey 101 series media isolation valve. This innovative valve is designed for microdosing applications in medical technology and analytical fields. It's compact, reliable, and built to handle aggressive media with precision. Perfect for applications like DNA analysis and fluid sampling. If you're looking for smarter connectivity, check out the RockStar ModuPlug modular connector system. This versatile connector packs power, signal, and data functions into a single interface, reducing space and costs. It's a game changer for industries like automation and energy. You can even order a free sample to try out for yourself. Click on the button in the newsletter to get your hands on one today. And for motion control enthusiasts, we're spotlighting JBL's integrated servo and stepper motors. These motors combine compact design, high precision, and I/O link connectivity for fast, easy integration. Whether you're working in robotics or industrial automation, JBL has you covered. Finally, don't miss our tech talk on air over oil motion control. This revolutionary technology combines the affordability of pneumatic systems with the precision of hydraulics for smoother, more controlled motion. That's it for this month's highlights. Be sure to check out full details in the newsletter and let us know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Have a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.